Good morning, all of you. Welcome to course of Cryptography and Network Security. I am Sunita, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science. Today we are focusing on Hill cipher. What is a Hill cipher? What is encryption decryption procedure of Hill cipher? A Hill cipher is a substitution procedure, a substitution cipher. A substitution cipher replaces one symbol with another. If the symbols in the plain text are alphabetic characters, we replace with one character with another one. For example, we can replace letter A with letter D and letter T with letter Z. So this is the way of substitution cipher. Substitution ciphers can be categorized as either monoalphabetic cipher and polyalphabetic cipher. Then come to what is a polyalphabetic cipher. A polyalphabetic cipher, each occurrence of a character may have different substitute. The relationship between plain text and ciphertext is one to many. For example, A could be enciphered as D in the beginning of the text, but as N at the middle of the plain ciphertext. So that is about polyalphabetic cipher. Suppose we have the plain text is A B C A. At the beginning, A may be replaced with Z. At the end, A character it may be replaced with some other character. It may be N or some other. That is about polyalphabetic. This Hill cipher is a polyalphabetic substitution cipher based on linear algebra. So we use some schema, that is A equal to 0, B equal to 1 up to Z equal to 25, which is not a essential. We can use another schema like A equal to 1, B to Z 26. We use the 26 representation characters. So it may start with A equal to 0 to Z equal to 25, or else we can start with the A equal to 1 to Z equal to 26. Here we use the one matrix, n by n matrix. So that is key. We use the one matrix, that is key. In Hill cipher, a key is a square matrix of size m by m, in which m is size of the block. Let's start with encryption procedure. So how we can follow this encryption procedure? Here I am taking the plain text is ACT, 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 and key is some characters G, Y, B, N, Q, K, U, R, P. This is the key. Remember here we have to take the key should be n by n matrix. According to key we can divide the plain text. Okay, here I am taking the key is a 9 characters. Here I am taking the key is a 9 characters. So I written it as a 9 by 3 matrix. I written these 9 characters as a 3 by 3 matrix. First row G, Y, B, second row N, Q, K, third row U, R, P. So initially we need to write the what are the corresponding numerical values of these characters. So we use the schema equal to A equal to 0, B equal to 1, Z equal to 25. According to this schema, so what are the characters, what are the numerical values of these characters, these 9 characters. So initially G, the numerical value of the G is 6, Y 24, B 1. According to A equal to 0, that schema. So like similar way we written the all characters numerical values. We got the some matrix n by n matrix. According to these matrix size we divide the plain text. Here the plain text I am taking the 3 characters only. According to this one here the key is 3 by 3 matrix. So we written as this act as 1 by 3 or 3 by 1 vector. 1 by 3 or 3 by 1 vector. Here I am written as a this way. Okay, so now we have to convert these into ciphertext. What is the ciphertext formula is C, ciphertext C equal to KP mod 26. K is the key, P is the plain text, mod 26. That means plain key into plain text mod 26. So we multiply the all these values, we got the some text mod 26. I got the 15, 14 and 7. So now we have to write the what are the corresponding numerical values for this one, corresponding number 15, 14 and 7, corresponding characters for the this 15, 14, 7. So we got the POH, that means What is the ciphertext for the ACT is POH. Now come to decryption. What is a decryption? Converting our ciphertext to the plain text. In encryption, we convert our readable data into the unreadable format. Okay, now we have to convert these ciphertext into the plain text. So we take the same key and ciphertext as input, key as the key, and we have to generate the plain text. Okay, so inverse matrix of the these one inverse matrix of the K is this one. So Kp mod 26. So inverse of that one mod 26, we got the some values 0 to 19. We got the plain text as act. Now we take the another example. So here I am taking the example 2. Example 2. In this example I am taking the plain text is cipher, key is the hill. So we need to convert this cipher hill with some ciphertext. So initially construct the matrix for the key. So here the matrix for the key is matrix is 2 by 2 matrix. Remember key should be square matrix. Key should be square matrix. If data is not sufficient for the key square matrix, we need to add some filler data. Suppose we have only 3 characters, you can add the filler data. But this filler data should be known both sender and receiver, both parties. Okay. So now construct the matrix according to your key. Here key is a 2 by 2 matrix. So then we have to write the corresponding numerical values for these H, I, L, L. So numerical values are the 7, 8, 11, 11. Now we have to write the plain text. So here the plain text is 6 characters. Divide the plain text into blocks or pairs. So this substitution cipher is Hill substitution cipher is a block cipher. That means we convert these entire data by block. Okay. So initially we divide the plain text into pairs. We got the 3 pairs CI, PH and ER. So we got the 3 pairs and write the corresponding numerical values for this matrix. Here observe this one. Key is a 2 by 2 matrix. According to this key, we need to take the ciphertext. We have the 3 blocks. Then we take the 2 by 1 matrix. Because of our key is 2 by 2. We can take the 2 by 1 or 1 by 2. So here I am taking the 2 by 1 matrix. So initially I am converting first pair CI. First pair CI. So CI numerical values are the 2 and 8. So what is the encryption? E equal to Kp mod 26. Key is the 7, 8, 11, 11 matrix and P. P is the first pair. CI 2, 8. Kp mod 26. So this 2 by 2 matrix and 2 by 1 matrix mod 26, I got some values. So that are the 0 and 6. What are the corresponding characters for the 0 and 6 are the AG. So that means CI is converted as the AG. Similar way, we need to convert the remaining pairs also PH and ER. So for the PH, what are the numerical values of the 15 and 7? So we multiply the key into 15, 7 mod 26. I got the 5, 10. So numerical values for these data is a 5, 10. What are the corresponding characters for the 5, 10 are the FK. Similar way, I am converting the last pair ER. So what are the numerical values for the ER? The 4 and 17. Multiply these matrix key into 4, 17 mod 26. I got the 8 and 23. Corresponding characters are the IX. The ciphertext for the cipher is the ciphertext for the plain text cipher is AGFKIX. So this is about encryption of the Hill cipher. Then come to what about cryptanalysis Hill cipher? Cryptanalysis of Hill cipher. So we know that what is a cryptanalysis is how it is easy for the code breaking. How it is easy for the code breaking. So here the cryptanalysis of Hill cipher is ciphertext only cryptanalysis. Ciphertext only cryptanalysis of the Hill cipher is difficult because of Initially, brute force attack on a Hill cipher is extremely difficult. Why it is extremely difficult is we are using the m by n matrix. Each entry in the matrix can have one of the 26 values. At first glance, this means the size of the key domain 26 power m by m. But not at all matrices have the multiple inverses. The key domain is smaller but still huge. Hill ciphers do not preserve the statistics of the plain text. Hill cipher do not preserve the statistics of the plain text. Eve cannot run frequency analysis on the single letters, diagrams and trigrams. So here a frequency analysis of the words of the size m might work, but this is very rare that the plain text has many strings of size m that are same. But we can do a non-plaintext attack on the cipher if attacker knows the value of m and knows the plaintext ciphertext pairs for at least m blocks. So this is about cryptanalysis of Hill cipher and cryptography part of this one. Thank you.